Welcome to Systex. In today's video, we're diving into Inter-VLAN routing using Cisco devices. Whether you're a networking student or an IT professional, this step-by-step guide will help you understand and configure Inter-VLAN routing like a pro. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started. In a network, VLANs are used to segment traffic for security and efficiency. However, by default, VLANs cannot communicate with each other. That's where Inter-VLAN routing comes in. Using a Layer 3 switch or router, we can enable communication between VLANs. For this lab, we'll be using Cisco Packet Tracer with the following setup. A Layer 3 switch, Cisco 3560. 2 PCs in different VLANs. Configuring VLANs, assigning IPs, and enabling Inter-VLAN routing. Let's set up our lab step by step. 1. Open Cisco Packet Tracer. 2. Drag and drop the following devices onto the workspace. 1 Layer 3 switch, Cisco 3560. 2 PCs. 3. Connect the PCs to the switch using straight-through cables. Now, let's configure VLANs on the switch. Open the CLI and follow these commands. 1. Enter CLI mode. Enable. Configure terminal. 2. Create VLANs. VLAN 10. Name sales. Exit. VLAN 20. Name HR. Exit. 3. Assign ports to VLANs. Interface Fast Ethernet 0/1. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. Exit. Interface Fast Ethernet 0/2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Exit. Since this is a Layer 3 switch, we'll use Switched Virtual Interfaces, SVIs, for Inter-VLAN routing. 1. Enable IP routing. IP routing. 2. Create SVIs for VLANs. Interface VLAN 10. IP address 192.168.10.1255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Exit. Interface VLAN 20. IP address 192.168.20.1255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Exit. Now, let's configure the PCs with the correct IP addresses. 1. Go to PC 1, Sales VLAN 10. IP address 192.168.10.2. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Gateway 192.168.10.1. 2. Go to PC 2, VLAN 20. IP address, 192.168.20.2. Subnet mask, 255.255.255.0. Gateway, 192.168.20.1. Let's test our setup by pinging from PC1 to PC2. Open the command prompt on PC1 and type ping 192.168.20.2. If configured correctly, you should see successful replies, meaning Inter-VLAN routing is working. If your ping test fails, check the following. Are VLANs properly created and assigned to ports? You can use Show VLAN brief. Did you configure the SVIs and use no shutdown? Following command can be helpful. Show running config. Did you set the correct default gateway on each PC? On CLI run. Show running config section interface fast Ethernet 0 of 1. Is IP routing enabled on the switch? Show running config include IP routing. And that's it. You've successfully configured Inter-VLAN routing on a Layer 3 switch using Cisco Packet Tracer. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Systex for more networking guides. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.